So this thing is a pressure sensor. It has these two metal contacts to connect with the circuit. So I am going to do a continuity test to see how it works. If you see, it has two circles, a big and a small one. So at first I will test the small circle. So no matter how hard I press, it don't works at all. As I applied a small pressure, it gets on. It is kind of switch which gets on when the pressure is applied. But at the other end, it gets on only when the vacuum is applied. I mean, when I push back the plunger. So this is all inside a thin plastic film and some copper contacts. So when the pressure is applied, this film presses the metal piece which touches the other metal contact below. This way it completes the circuit, so the air is not actually passes from one end to the other end. It's complete. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.